Hello everyone. I am Takashi Miyashita, President and CEO of One Career. Thank you for joining us today. I will now present our financial results. First, let me explain our mission. We aim to create as many careers as there are people. For most people, work is where they invest the majority of their time in life. However, it is really difficult to find data helping with the selection of one's work. We believe the core challenge is the lack of such data. We are committed to revolutionizing the recruitment market in an ever-diversifying society by embracing the careers of all individuals and unifying career data. Next, I will explain the outlook for Japan's new graduate recruitment market in the age of AI. Today, the biggest challenge facing Japanese society is a serious labor shortage. It is forecast that by 2040, there will be a shortage of around 11 million workers. This challenge cannot be solved by AI alone. While demand may vary by industry, the overall structural issue of a society-wide labor shortage is not expected to change. As a result, we believe corporate hiring appetite will remain strong and the new graduate recruitment market will continue to expand, creating a favorable market environment for our company. Next, I will explain how we are accelerating business growth through AI utilization. As AI continues to advance, the value of unique and highly reliable first-party data used for learning and analysis is increasing. We continuously accumulate data from both job seekers and companies, and through screening and ensuring reliability, we have a data advantage that is difficult for competitors to replicate. By improving user convenience and combining AI and high-trust first-party data, we will enhance the value of our platform. In addition, this enhancement of the value we provide will create a virtuous cycle of further usage growth, strongly driving our business performance. For frequently asked questions and answers about AI, please refer to pages 5 to 7 of the financial results presentation materials. And now let's walk through our financial highlights. First, I will present the financial summary. The details for each point will be explained in the subsequent slides. In the first quarter, both net sales and operating income progressed steadily toward our earnings forecasts. Net sales reached 206 million yen, up 47.2% year-on-year, and operating income finished at 663 million yen, up 100.8% year-on-year. Our KPIs also showed steady progress. Due to significant growth in the number of new clients, the cumulative number of corporate clients reached 6,858, up 46.9% year-on-year. The number of registered members also grew steadily, with the total cumulative membership reaching 2.452 million, an increase of 364,000 year-on-year. Regarding the external environment, the situation in Iran has had no direct impact on our business, and the impact on our clients' recruitment budgets remains minimal. Furthermore, we have steadily executed initiatives in line with our business strategy. These include the rollout of AI chat features, our Scout service surpassing 4,000 participating companies, and the decision to welcome Kids Corporation Company Limited into the group. The integration of Kids Corporation into the group is scheduled for the end of July 2026. We are currently reviewing the potential impact of this acquisition on our financial performance. This slide shows our consolidated P&L. Both net sales and operating income continue to grow steadily, and we remain on track toward our full-year forecast. This slide shows our consolidated balance sheet. Supported by steady performance, we continue to maintain a strong cash position and a solid equity ratio. This slide shows quarterly trends in net sales and operating income. In the first quarter, net sales were driven by growth in job postings, Scout services, and AI-driven productivity gains, reaching 2.26 billion yen, up 47.2% year-on-year. Operating income also grew in line with sales, reaching 663 million yen, up 100.8% year-on-year. This slide shows the breakdown of changes in operating income. By optimizing the efficiency of our cost structure, both cost of sales and G&A, we are achieving strong operating income. This slide summarizes operating expenses. While we are increasing investment to scale the organization, we continue to grow while balancing net sales and operating income. This slide shows our consolidated headcount trend. While improving the productivity of the people we have hired, we are also securing the talent needed for continued business growth. As of the end of March 2026, our consolidated headcount was 307. By the end of December 2026, we expect to increase to approximately 390. This slide shows the trend in cumulative corporate client accounts. We continue to acquire new corporate clients steadily and have grown at a strong pace, up 46.9% year-on-year, reaching 6,858 total accounts. This slide shows the trend in members of our new graduate service. Our new graduate service, One Career, continues to maintain high engagement, and approximately 2/3 of university students who secure employment use the service. Next, I'd like to highlight a few key topics from the quarter. First, we released One Career AI, a job hunting focused AI powered by over 700,000 user reviews. We also strengthened brand awareness through proactive outdoor advertising and other initiatives. Second, the number of companies adopting our Scout service surpassed 4,000. Third, we were selected as a constituent of the JPX Startup Growth 100 Index, which is composed of 100 of Japan's leading high-growth startups. Finally, we will be bringing Kids Corporation into the group. I will explain this in more detail on the next slide. In July 2026, we will bring Kids Corporation into the group, a company that operates, among other things, a university selection preparation support business aimed at high school students. This acquisition is at an EV to adjusted EBITDA multiple of 5x and represents an appropriate price that adheres to our financial discipline. Kids Corporation's scale is approximately 2.6 billion yen in annual revenue and 280 million yen in operating income. Kids Corporation has a history of over 30 years and has built a network of 3,500 high schools and 1,500 universities, junior colleges, and vocational schools, a total network of 5,000 schools. By further enhancing the value of this strong school network and leveraging the complementary customer bases of both companies, we aim to generate synergies across the group. The impact on our results for the current fiscal year is currently under review. Finally, I will explain our business plan. This slide shows our consolidated outlook for the fiscal year ending December 2026. We are planning net sales of 10.5 billion yen, up 38.6% year-on-year, and operating income of 3.0 billion yen, up 41.0% year-on-year. We will steadily achieve the midterm management plan we announced at the time of our IPO in 2021. The impact of bringing Kids Corporation into the group is currently under review. This slide outlines our business policy for fiscal year 2026. In 2026, we will focus on 3 priorities: continuously enhancing the value of our new graduate business, creating synergies in our mid-career business, and group in M&A integration. In line with this policy, we will execute our initiatives steadily. This slide shows our midterm targets for fiscal year 2030. By fiscal year 2030, we are targeting 35.0 billion yen in net sales and 10.0 billion yen in EBITDA. For net sales by segment, we aim for 30.0 billion yen in the new graduate business and 5.0 billion yen in the mid-career business. In addition, we aim each year for ROE of 25% or higher and a EBITDA margin of 25% or higher. The impact of bringing Kids Corporation into the group is currently under review. This slide shows the market's growth potential. Both the new graduate and mid-career markets are expanding and offer strong growth potential. Over the long term, we aim to use career data to expand into all HR-related domains as well as adjacent businesses. This slide outlines our direction for business expansion. With AI utilization as the foundation, we plan to scale the business along 3 axes: number of platforms, number of products, and number of client accounts. This slide shows the growth potential of our new graduate business. Relative to the number of registered students, our penetration in terms of corporate clients and net sales capture remains low, leaving substantial room for growth. By fiscal year 2030, we aim for 20,000 cumulative corporate client accounts and 30.0 billion yen in net sales. This slide shows synergies from new graduate to mid-career. By leveraging the strong user base and client base of our new graduate business, we can transition to the mid-career business at near zero cost and expand our career data platform. This slide explains our approach to shareholder returns. We prioritize growth investments and aim to increase EPS, thereby driving mid to long-term share price appreciation and improving TSR, total shareholder return. At the same time, our fundamental policy is to provide shareholder returns through stable and continuous dividends, targeting a consolidated dividend payout ratio of around 30%. That concludes today's presentation. We look forward to another year of strong performance and steady execution. Thank you very much for your time and continued support.